this too. Max. Why are you yelling? Are you laughing? Why are you crazy? Are you laughing or crying? Are you laughing or crying? Why? Oh, oh. Oh, hey, come on. What's the matter? No, you are a maniac. Are you emotionally? Do you? What is? Oh, what's the matter? The problem is, I think that Maxie enjoys sitting up like this, but he's upset. Oh. Okay, let me see what the problem is.